Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding that your biggest wish has come true. Now, I know that sounds almost impossible, like something out of a fairy tale, but what if I told you that this isn't just a fantasy? In fact, you've been manifesting your entire reality all along without even realizing it. Yes, your job, your relationships, the things you like, and even that morning coffee routine you enjoy. It's all the result of your own thoughts and beliefs materializing in your life. But here's the thing. Most of us are manifesting unconsciously, creating outcomes based on old programming, fears, or societal conditioning. Today, we're flipping the script. We'll explore how to manifest consciously with laser-focused precision, allowing you to take control of your life's direction. Hey everyone, welcome to Power of Thought. If you're feeling like your dreams are just out of reach, or you've tried manifesting before but haven't seen results, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to introduce you to practical, actionable manifestation techniques that go beyond the wishy-washy, think positive advice. Instead, we'll dive into methods backed by the wisdom of Deepak Chopra, a true master of manifestation. These are the exact tools that have helped thousands of people transform their lives. By the time we finish, you'll have the clarity and techniques to consciously manifest anything you desire, whether it's a soulmate, your dream career, or financial abundance. So, if you're ready to stop leaving your dreams to chance and start co-creating with the universe, stay tuned. This video is your personal masterclass in manifestation. Let's start with the foundation of manifestation: clarity. Think about this. You wouldn't embark on a road trip without knowing your destination, right? If you don't know where you're going, you'll end up driving aimlessly, wasting time and energy. Manifesting without clarity is just like that. You might manifest something, but it won't necessarily be what you want. Getting clear on your desires is like plugging in coordinates into your GPS. The universe, acting as your GPS, needs a clear signal to direct you to your destination. So how do you achieve that kind of clarity? 1. Find your Zen zone. You need to get quiet and grounded. This could be in a calm corner of your home, sitting under a tree at a park, or even meditating in your bathroom. Wherever you feel at peace, that's your Zen zone. Once you're settled, close your eyes and focus on your breath. 2. Visualize with purpose. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, imagine that breath as a golden light traveling down to your heart center. This light represents clarity. Ask yourself the big question: what do I truly desire? Don't filter or judge what comes up. Let your mind wander freely. Your desires may surprise you. Now, here's the secret. Write it down. Writing solidifies your intentions in the physical world, like sending a certified letter to the universe, saying, "Here's exactly what I want." When you put pen to paper, it activates your subconscious mind, which will work quietly in the background to help you align with your desires. So grab a notebook and be specific. Describe what you want in as much detail as possible. You've clarified your desires, but here's the hard truth. Sometimes the biggest roadblocks to manifesting aren't external, they are inside your own mind. We're talking about limiting beliefs, the pesky doubts and negative thoughts that are like weeds choking out your dreams. Your mind is a garden and your desires are the seeds. But if your mind is overgrown with negative beliefs, even the most carefully planted seeds won't flourish. So, how do we pull out those weeds? Start by getting real with yourself. Write down every single negative thought or belief you have about what you want. Don't sugarcoat it. Be brutally honest. It could be things like, "I'm not smart enough to start my own business. Money is the root of all evil." Or, "I'm too old to find true love." Now it's time to put on your detective hat. Ask yourself where these beliefs came from. Were they handed down to you by your parents? Are they a product of societal conditioning, Most of these beliefs are just stories we tell ourselves, stories that aren't even true. Now for the fun part, rewrite your mental narrative. For each limiting belief, create an empowering alternative. Instead of "I'm not smart enough," try "I am constantly learning and growing, and that makes me capable." Replace "money is evil" with "money is a tool for good, and I attract it easily." This process might feel strange at first, but the more you practice, the more these new thoughts will feel natural. Think of setting your intention as placing an order with the universe's cosmic kitchen. But here's the thing, you need to be specific. You wouldn't walk into a restaurant and say, "I want food." You'd order exactly what you want, right down to how you want your steak cooked. Manifestation works the same way. Here's how to place your universal order. 1. Get loud and proud. Say your intention out loud, clearly and confidently. Don't be afraid to talk to yourself or even shout it out. This act brings energy to your desire and signals to the universe that you're serious. 2. Be specific and bold. Write down your intention in the present tense, as if it's already happening. Use "I am" statements, like "I am living in my dream home," rather than "I will have a nice house." The present tense sends a powerful signal to the universe that you are aligned with this desire now. 3. Visualize in detail. Once your intention is set, visualize it. Close your eyes and see your desire as if it has already come to life. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel in that moment? Make it as vivid as possible. Most importantly, feel the emotions that come with achieving your desire. Whether it's joy, excitement, or peace, let those feelings flood your body. This next step might seem counterintuitive, but it's essential. Once you've set your intention, you need to let it go. Think of it like planting a seed in your garden. After planting, you don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. You trust that, with time, the seed will sprout and flourish. Here's how to master the art of detachment. 1. Trust the process. Know that the universe has a plan. Oftentimes, it's even better than the one we imagine for ourselves. Your job is to trust that everything is working out for your highest good, even if it doesn't look that way right now. 2. Live in the present. Instead of obsessing over your future desire, shift your focus to enjoying the present moment. The more you find joy and fulfillment in the now, the more aligned you become with the vibration of your desires. Happiness is a magnet for more happiness. Deepak Chopra famously says, "Detachment is based on the unquestioning belief in the power of your true self." It's a powerful reminder that you already have everything you need within you. Your desires are just waiting for you to get out of your own way. Now that you've set your intention and let it go, 2 key ingredients will keep you in the manifestation zone: gratitude and patience. 1. Gratitude goggles. When you practice gratitude, you start noticing more things to be grateful for. It's like wearing magic glasses that reveal all the good in your life. The more you appreciate, the more you attract things to appreciate. Gratitude raises your vibration, aligning you with the energy of abundance and joy. 2. Patience. Trust me, I get it. Waiting is hard. But the universe works on its own timeline, not ours. Trust that divine timing is at play and that your desire will come to you when the time is right. In the meantime, enjoy the journey. Life is too short to put happiness on hold for some future outcome. All right, now it's your turn. I want you to take action today. Write down one clear intention, something you truly desire, and begin practicing gratitude daily. Start noticing the small things in your life that are already working out for you, and watch how your reality begins to shift. If you found this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more content like this. And hey, if you're already seeing signs of your manifestations, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, keep manifesting magic, and remember, the universe has your back.